Good PM. Today is Tuesday, November 14, 2023, and here are the 3 p.m. Estel Visayas result today. Here are the Estel Square 3 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lock 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Tuesday, November 14, 2023. Here are the SL Square 3 p.m. result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for November 14, 2023, Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 3 p.m. video for Tuesday, November 14, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.